Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to add photo to album on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to create a personal album for your photos, or you've created the personal album to section your photos on your iPhone iOS 18 and now you want to add photos to the created album, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if out of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to add photo to album on iPhone iOS 18, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone, then go to the photo you want to add to your album. So in this case, let's say I have all this photo here, and I want to add or move some of this photo to a particular album, which I have created, yes or no. Then highlight the message, then click on the photo you want to move to a new album, like this. And then once you press and hold on the picture, just swipe up. Then you're going to see Add to Album. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you should see all your albums you have on your iPhone iOS 18. Then select the album you want to add the photo to. And if there is no album available on this page, just come here and click on the plus icon at the bottom left. Then type in a new album. That is the name of the album. You can just type anything of your choice and then click on save. Once you hit the save button, then the photo will be moved to the newly created album. So just press and hold it. So just press and hold the photo you want to move to the new album, then swipe up and click on add to new album. Then it's going to be added to the selected album. Now go to the album you created. When you swipe down the Photos app under albums, then click on new album or the name of the album, then there you go. So these are how the photos are moved to this particular album. So that is basically how to add photo to album on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.